When you first start your View Media server, you'll be greeted with a large QR code. This QR code is used to set up the system and claim it as your own. After scanning the QR code, you'll be taken to a setup screen where you can name the wall, choose the mode, either demo or session mode, and select which license you want to use. If you have licenses shared with you, they will appear here. Once you're ready, click Submit, and you'll be taken to the settings page to access additional controls for your media server. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.